If you want guys to fix this problem on your Telegram, just follow me in this video till the end, but just follow me step by step. So let's start. First guys, you don't need to open your Telegram. Go and open your settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly and search for apps option. When you found it, open it, and here search for Telegram. So right here when you found Telegram, open it and go to storage option. But here guys, click just on clear cache, then go back and click on first stop and click OK. Then go to battery and allow it on optimized mode. Then you have to go to set as a default and open supported links. Open it and then go to permissions and allow these options right here. Then go to your Play Store, update your Telegram. If it's not updated, then restart your phone. That's it guys in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.